All right, so here are the answers from last night's homework. I saw a lot of you did it. A lot of you had right answers, but not everybody had the exact answer. And I'm wondering if some of you with the right answers just looked at the answer key. Guys, I expect that you can do it. So if you're getting it right on here, then I would have no problems giving you a quiz today to make sure you really do know what you're doing. So yes, we are having a quiz today. I'm going to explain how to do this right now. So hopefully you are watching this video. You had to do 9, 10, 11, and 12. I'm going to rewrite them down here. So 9 was the minus a negative x plus 3. And so you see this minus out front of a parentheses. And when there's a minus out front of the parentheses, it's as if everything inside gets flipped. So that minus x inside becomes a positive x, and that positive 3 inside becomes a minus 3. And that is that answer simplified. Okay, number 10 is 4x minus, and then in parentheses is x plus 2. Again, what is in the parentheses that comes right after a minus sign is going to have to get flipped. So think of it as flipping this stuff up to the addition mat. The 4x stays the same because that's not after a minus. And then this x was a positive inside, now it's a minus. This plus 2 was a positive 2 inside, and now it is also a minus. And now we've got like terms here. So 4x, a minus x ends up being 3x minus 2. And that is how we get that answer. Number 11 is 5x minus, and then inside is negative 3x plus 2. Again, if there is a minus and then right after the minus is a parentheses, everything that is inside that parentheses is going to get flipped into the addition spot. The 5x was not after the minus, so that says 5x. This negative 3x in here is now going to become plus 3x, and this positive or plus 2 is now going to become a minus 2. And now I've got like terms, so we can add a 5x plus a 3x together, and that leaves me with 8x minus 2. And then number 12 was x minus 5 minus, and then in parentheses was 2 minus x. Again, whatever is inside the parentheses that comes after a minus sign is going to have to get flipped up. This x and this minus 5 were not in a parentheses, they were not after or before a parentheses, so they stay x minus 5. This 2 inside right now is a positive 2, so now it's going to become a minus 2. This x inside right now is a minus x, and so now it's going to get flipped to a plus x. And so now when I go to combine like terms, I have an x and I have a plus x. That leaves me with 2 x's. And then we also have a minus 5 and a minus 2. It's like saying negative 5 and then 2 more negatives, and now we have 7 negatives, and I write that minus 7. Okay, I'm going to give you a problem to do right now, and I want you to put the answer to this problem in the warm-up. So here is your warm-up problem that I want you to put in the discussion post that is after today's assignment. You're going to do 4x minus 1 minus parentheses 6 minus 6x. So do that problem, put it in the warm-up. In the discussion post after today's assignment, there will be a quiz on this today. So if you need to rewind this and watch it again to make sure you really know what you're doing, then you need to do it.